What's up guys, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make this huge fluffy batch of slime without any shaving cream, and it actually turned out looking like a huge piece of bubblegum, which is actually pretty cool. So if you guys want to learn how to make this recipe, keep watching. First you'll need a bowl, some white glue, something to stir with, some shampoo, some activator, some water, and a mixer which adds air into the slime. Here I'm just adding some white glue into the bowl. I'm adding some water here to thin out the glue just a little bit. And here I'm adding some shampoo into the slime, which is going to add more bubbles into the slime, which is just going to make it even more fluffier. At this point you're going to get your mixer out and blend all your ingredients together. The mixer adds air into the slime, which helps make it super big and super fluffy. Here I decided to add some food coloring to my slime, and I chose the color pink. Now I add in my activator, and I add this in bit by bit, and it takes a while to come together, but just keep with it and add it in a little bit at a time. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more slime videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys, bye!